Today we are going to be making a very simple hovercraft out of an old CD and a balloon.
Now, a hovercraft is a vehicle that floats over a surface on a cushion of air. In order to hover, currents of slow-moving, low-pressure air are forced downward onto a surface, creating a cushion of air on which the hovercraft floats.
So we're going to start with an old CD or maybe a blank one that you don't listen to, or maybe you just have lying around. We want the shiny side up so we can decorate it, personalize it, and make it our own. If you have a permanent marker or stickers, you can decorate it right on the CD. I, however, cut out a piece of paper and then decorated it, and then I just taped it over the top. So this is kind of what mine looks like. After you decorate your CD, you're going to want to take a cap, kind of like this. And you can get this off the top of a sports drink, a water bottle, or even I got mine off a bottle of dish soap. You're going to want to glue this over the center of the CD and make sure you have a really good seal so that when the air goes through, there aren't any leaks. If you've got hot glue at home, that's a good tool to use. I didn't have any glue, so I improvised, and I'm going to use duct tape around the edge. And I made it into a triangle, and then I just put that and making sure we left a hole in the middle. And then I just taped it over the center of the CD. Now it's time to make our hovercraft hover. And we're going to do this by using pressurized air from a balloon. The first thing you want to do is press the cap down to seal it. Then you're going to want to take your balloon and inflate it. You're going to pinch the neck and put it over the cap.
Now, all we're going to do to make it hover is to lift up on the cap.
Now you hear all the air releasing, and your hovercraft can start to hover. Once it's done, you can reinflate your balloon and you can try again. You can make a whole bunch of these and race them with your parents or your siblings. Making this hovercraft is a real opportunity for you to experiment. Think about how this would work on different surfaces. Also think about changing the CD, maybe into something larger like a paper plate. I want to hear from you, and I want to see your results from your experiments. Share your videos and or photos on Facebook and Instagram. I'd love to hear about all your ideas about what worked for you and what didn't.